this delicious Fenugreek Lentil fry, methi ki sabji. This is the size in which you have to chop the fenugreek leaves. Take some moong dal, some garlic, red chili powder, sugar, groundnut powder. You need to finely chop the garlic. Now heat up some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely chopped garlic. Don't let the garlic get brown. Add turmeric to it and half of the red chili powder. Let it fry a bit. And then add the fenugreek leaves. Now mix it well. Now add the washed moong lentils. And mix it well. Now add the remaining red chili powder. Add some sugar. This step is completely optional, but a little bit of sugar doesn't hurt when it is paired up with something else. Now mix it well. Add the groundnut powder. And now it is time to add some salt. The leaves will release some water. Mix it well. Cover the lid. Lower the flame to medium heat and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Now take off the lid after 7 to 8 minutes. Our dish is almost ready. Now serve it and enjoy.